This is homework 2 for module 5. So modulus of rupture, 650. Flow transfer coefficient, 3.2. For drainage with 5%, go to the tables, look for 5%, 4, so use 0.9. For K, based on the subgrade and granular subbase, go to this table, draw a line from 5,000. So here, go to the right, and draw a line up until it hits 30,000, which is the granular subbase. Then draw a line to the right here, and where it intersects here, draw a line up, and it's about 350, and put that there, and the D is 8 inches here, and that gives me 8.43 10 to the 6